see. No!
What did you get?
Inside.
What you got here, RJ?
Today we're opening.
Box from Amazon. That's all we know. Turn the box.
Okay.
You can see the Amazon box. Okay, we shall open it.
There's still. Wait.
It's okay.
Okay, let's see. No!
What did you get?
Inside. Yay! Look at that. What's that, RJ?
Headphones.
Okay,
Headphones.
let me bring it into focus. Got it? GM-3 Beexcellent Pro Gaming Headset. 3.55 millimeter 4-pin connector. Glittering deep bass, soft leather ear pads. Okay, RJ. Easy volume adjustment. This is for PlayStation 4. I think it's for Xbox also.
And Nintendo.
And Nintendo. Okay. Surprised it doesn't say that on the box.
Let's open it.
Well, I'm just saying here. Hold on. Guess what? It's made in China. Okay.
No Tuesday this thing.
What's that? Take that off.
Hey.
Ta-da! Yeah.
What else is in the box?
Say,
Take that off so in case there's an issue with it. Take it off nicely.
Wow, look at that. So nice.
ting, ting.
Try it on.
What? RJ is a gamer.
Let's take my headphones.
Wow, so big.
Where's your
My
mic? Where's your
goodness.
mic?
Right.
Here's the mic. You a gamer, RJ?
Does it fit?
Yes.
Does it feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Looks big on you.
Yeah.
Look
It's,
like so big.
That's for adults, mainly.
Yeah, only for me that, RJ.
no,
me.
for me.
Can I see it,
no one
please?
except
So
for
you can hold it up. This folds down. The microphone.
Wow, it's so cool. Look at that.
Look, nice padding up there on top.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay, this is it. The headset. RJ's got the end over there, so that's about it. Get some instructions
Wait,
here.
It's the same thing that
Hook up.
this thing right here is at the same.
That's the
thing.
volume control, right?
Yeah. Oh wait, this is how you talk. This is on. This is off.
Okay.
And this is the volume.
Why don't you show the camera?
It's like the same thing that school has, but different. This one's like more nicer.
Here's the volume control and the microphone
So I
control.
get that bag off.
The connector. Okay, here's the connector. So you got like two different types of connectors.
It has fake protectors on them. Okay, let's
Alright.
get that thing open. Okay. This is what
So you got two connectors. You got looks like a USB or looks like a USB. See? I think you got a choice on the headset, right? Should have brought one up here. And this is the RCA type jack. This is probably the one we'll
How
be
do you
using.
know how to do that?
So this is plugged right into the controller. Did you bring the controller up?
What?
The controller. The PlayStation 4 controller. Go get it.
Okay.
Nice and soft right here. Looks like nice quality. It's got the microphone. And then this is for putting the mic on or mic off, and volume control. And you have a choice of inputs. This RCA jack type or this USB, depending on what you're plugging into. Let's see the controller so I can show the camera. Let me show the camera first.
Don't push this button.
Not pushing anything.
I said don't push this.
We're going to be going into this jack right here. See right here? Ta-da! Now you can play the game, have the headset on, put the headset on.
Wait, did he take off the cap? Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
I took the cap off.
Pop the spin.
Okay,
Pop.
pop the microphone down. Microphone down. Not hard like that. There you go. Or pretend you're playing. That's how you do it. You will now be able to talk to people on the gamers on the internet, on the network.
Wow.
So you don't have to just play by yourself at home. You can talk to all the different people on the network.
And what else?
And also I can also talk to my iPad. Huh.
This? Some kind of an adapter, I don't know. Oh,
They just
no,
take
I'm
this thing
not
off.
sure.
Does this work? Let's see if this thing.
Have this include.
I want to see if this
I didn't
thing
see that.
works. Let's see.
Another adapter.
Choo, choo.
But the way we're going to use it right now,
And just do the same thing. Take my thing. No, my other headphone. Hi. But this is my
Okay.
size. I want to test this.
yeah, we got to go downstairs and play some Fortnite.
Yeah.
Adults, not you.
No, I'm gonna take it.
Well, you can borrow it. There's
No,
not all
I'm
games.
gonna play it.
PlayStation 4 has almost all their games now on network. You
I'm
gotta have
going
it.
to
You
play
gotta have
it.
a headset and mic now.
Let's go play it.
And here is all the
Adapters, instructions.
inside the box.
This will probably tell you what these adapters are for. Well, the name is called GM3 Gaming Headset. Beexcellent. It's kind of, I guess that's a company name. Beexcellent.
Are you ready? Wow. This wire is getting tangled.
These are different types. Want to go right into the PlayStation? It's in many languages.
Ready?
So it's got a setup for PS4. It's got a setup for Xbox, and that's all I see. Oh, setup for PC. So you can play it using a PC. Oh, here it is. Console device: Xbox One, Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, PlayStation Vita, and PSP, PlayStation Portable. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, we can play the PS3 also.
Also, Nintendo Switch, Nintendo New, Nintendo 3DS, Windows PC, Mac. So pretty much everything. All the games out there.
And here's the PS3.
Does it fit in there?
Let's see.
No. That.
Okay.
Take the end off. Oh, you already had something plugged in there? Oh, that was from the other.
Don't know.
That's what these other adapters are for. Nope. Not that one. Let's see this one. Not that one.
Were they kidding?
So probably the console you have to plug into.
Wait, it is the console.
Yep.
Wait, there's a scratch thing.
Okay.
Let's see.
Well, let's read it first before you scratch it.
Yeah,
That would make more sense.
it says scratch to win
Turn
a
it
prize.
around.
Scratch to win a prize.
Bonus list. Amazon gift card. $50% off any products in their store. trial of new products. So the best price you can get is $30 Amazon
Because
gift card.
Guys,
5 to 30, and then the others just sale items. What?
this thing can plug in because it's good.
But we don't want to do that, so don't.
No, it's not gonna turn on.
No, but why are you doing that?
I'm gonna
USB, yeah.
Yes,
try
try.
right there. Right like that.
Yeah.
Take that thing out.
Okay, that's it for unboxing.
And now we're gonna try it. Next up, we're gonna try it on the PS4. Okay, guys? Bye.